Welcome back to 555 Cooking Ideas. Today I will show you how to make delicious and simple homemade tacos, step by step. Tacos are soft or crispy shells filled with tasty meat or vegetables and fresh toppings. They are fun and easy to make at home. You can use soft tortillas or crispy taco shells for this recipe. Today I'm using minced meat, but you can also make vegetarian tacos using beans or tofu. First, finely chop 1 onion. Chop 2 cloves of garlic for flavor. Heat a little oil in a pan on medium flame. Add the chopped onions and cook them gently until they become soft. Add the garlic and fry for a short time until fragrant. Add the minced meat or beans into the pan and mix well. Cook slowly until the meat changes color and becomes cooked through. Add salt, chili powder, paprika, and cumin or taco seasoning for flavor. Mix well so the spices coat the filling evenly. Let the filling cook gently for a few minutes so the flavors combine nicely. Now we prepare the fresh toppings for our tacos. Chop tomatoes into small pieces. Shred some fresh lettuce for a crunchy bite. Chop a little onion or spring onion for extra taste. Grate some cheese if you like cheesy tacos. Cut a lime or lemon into wedges for squeezing later. Warm the tortillas in a dry pan for a few seconds on each side until soft. Or you can use ready crispy taco shells if you prefer crunch. Now we will assemble our tacos. This is the fun part. Alright, so add a spoonful of the cooked filling right into the center of your tortilla or shell. Next, just add some shredded lettuce. Then, go ahead and add chopped tomatoes and onions. Sprinkle some cheese if you like, totally up to you. You can also add salsa, yogurt, or maybe a little mayonnaise for creaminess. And finally, squeeze a little lime juice on top for a fresh and tangy taste. Place the finished tacos neatly on a serving plate. Look at the bright colors and fresh textures. So simple and so delicious. Tacos are perfect for lunch, dinner, parties, or family gatherings. You can also fill tacos with beans, paneer, tofu, or only vegetables for a vegetarian version. Store leftover filling in the fridge and just heat it when needed. Always fill tacos fresh before serving. Making tacos at home is fun, creative, and much healthier than fast food. Your homemade tacos are ready to enjoy, simple, tasty, and full of flavor. Thank you for watching 555 Cooking Ideas. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes from around the world.